Hey guys, it's me, Justify and Dizzle here, and we're gonna show you how to get into the lava under 30 seconds. Let's go. So you need these materials.
Up on Gundam style.
Okay. You need rockets and teleport. So when you have the rockets and teleport, you wanna hurry up and go over here, like as fast as you can. I'm leaving him. He hates spiders. He hates spiders. Bye. Whoa, whoa.
Man, bro.
Hello.
Get over here. So you want to go down here with the rocket? You want to go? Well, you don't need a rocket, but you're probably gonna
Yeah, I
go
ain't
down the edge over there.
Jalen. What?
You're in the lava.